Let's try a little mind trick to evolve ourselves, elevate ourselves to a new level of confidence and power. P.S. Huge bonus points to you if you can comment the reference to that little gem right there. A new level of confidence and power. So try this out. A lot of times we'll say to a particular scenario, I can only do what I can do. Instead of that, try saying, I can do more than I can do. And then followed by a strategic pause, followed by, motherfucker, for some attitude check, right? So let's try it out. The first one first. Hey, I can only do what I can do. Real milk toast and cookies, vanilla wafer. There's not too much there, is there? Not very exciting. Doesn't create any tension, the healthy kind. Now let's try this new, more elevated, evolved kind. Here it goes. I can do more than I can do, motherfucker. Sounds so juvenile. But the attitude behind it, it's like a little Jedi mind trick, some mental gymnastics that instead of hurting us, can actually help us. Those simple little tricks. I got a ton of them. That's just one of them. You can say it to yourself. You can say it out loud. I recommend saying it out loud. And it actually does do something to the brain. It starts to give rise to a new level of confidence and power. And when that happens, people around notice, unknowing to them. It's more of a subconscious receptor that people have. And in day-to-day life, personal, professional, and so forth, things just open up on average a bit more, maybe a lot more than they would otherwise. So try that out along with the other Jedi mind trick stuff. The mind trick you do to yourself to elevate yourself, to give rise to a new level of confidence and power. So you're welcome. Bye for now. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways.